What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Where I left off last week was we sanded some of the bay, well, half of the bay. As you can see, I went ahead and sanded about 80% of the bay. Not all of it. I still got a few spots, as you can see, firewall and whatnot, but that's not what we're gonna focus on today. Today we're gonna focus on the fender wells. I finally got the paint, so that's what we're gonna work on this video, so stay tuned. So like I was saying, I finally got the paint to do the fender wells. Now I'm not gonna go too crazy on it. I'm just really doing it to prevent any more rust on it, since I noticed since last time we did it, we did have a few spots that it's not like penetrating rust. Well, I mean, I guess all rust is penetrating, but it's more like surface rust. So that's what I really want to do it, and I want to clean up a little bit. I don't want to just leave it all like that, all miscolored and whatnot. Now it's not going to look pretty. By all means, it's not going to look pretty. I just wanted to cover up and make it look a little bit more uniform. You're never going to see it. It's going to have a fender well. So sorry about that. My GoPro froze up for some reason. Anyways, like I was saying, so this is the product I got. I got it from Lowe's. It says it stops rust, I guess, and it prevents rust. No, it resists rust. Anyways, I've never used it, so this is gonna be the first time I do use it. Hopefully it works. It says it's for undercoating and for like restoring and whatnot, but as long as it covers up and prevents rust, I don't care what it does. Again, it's not supposed to look pretty. As long as it does its job, that's all I care about. So I'm gonna go ahead and tape up the stuff that I don't want to get painted. Some of these bolts, I'm gonna take them off. The harnesses, I'm gonna put some tape around them. Brake lines, I'm gonna move it over, and we're just gonna go crazy on it and see what we can do. We'll probably do it by layers, and so I'm gonna spray this one layer light coat and then hop on the other side and spray some light coat and just alternate from back and forth. I want to do as many as coat as I can, maybe about 5, 6 if I can, but we'll see. As long as, like I said, as long as it looks good, I really don't care. But these modules, I'm not taking them off. I'll probably just do some halfway taping on it and call it a day. Like I said, it's not too crazy, and I don't plan on it. Don't plan on anybody ever seeing it, so I think it should be fine. So put you on a better view, and so we'll get on it. Alrighty, so I went ahead and I sanded it with some 80 grit. I think I have it around here somewhere. Yeah, it's 80 grit. And I just scuffed it up. I make sure that I grabbed the die grinder with the wire wheel, and I went over all the spots where the rust was a little bit more. I smoothed it out. Like, I didn't take it all out. Like I said, it's, as long as it gets covered, it should be fine. The spots that I didn't put too much effort into, or not effort, but that much importance to it, didn't have any rust, so that I feel like that should be fine. So I just hit it with some 80 grit. I just roughed it up a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray the first few light coats, and then I'll hop on the other side and then do the tape up and then scuff the same thing. I gotta see if I can find something to hold back right here, so when I spray I don't have the overspray. So I'm gonna put you back on the tripod, and then we're gonna go from there. Okay, so we got the first coat down. Wow, it actually covered a good bit, about a little more than I should have been. If you're watching this, if my wife is watching this, I'm sorry. But anyways, it covered a good bit. Now it looks kind of weird in the GoPro, but in person it looks 10 times better. It covered a good bit. Let me see, it has a little bit of a glare on there. Hold on, let me see if I can fix that. I guess it's just a GoPro, I guess. When I was grinding some of these welds, the GoPro, some of the sparks with the GoPro, so it's kind of like messed up a little bit. But anyways, it covered it really well. Now again, like I said, I'm gonna do another coat, let this dry a little bit, tack up a little bit, and then I'm gonna hit these spots where I missed. I'm not gonna go all the way to the door jamb, only because I'm gonna tape it off here when I paint the rest of the car, and then it's gonna blend in. I don't want all that undercoat paint in there. But I'm actually pretty surprised. I'm pretty amazed how it looked, how it came out. It's not fully done. Like I said, I'm gonna hit it. Like I got a little spots right here. I'm gonna let it tack up a little bit, and I'm gonna come back and hit it again. I'll do it 4 or 5 times. Just go back and forth from the driver's side passenger and see if I can and we'll get hit for 4 or 5 times, and then we'll see from there. But yeah, I think it came out great. So I'm gonna go ahead and get going on the other side, and we'll keep doing that then. Alrighty, so I went ahead and did both sides. As you can see from the time lapse, I am really excited. Well, not really excited, but really happy of the way that it came out. It came out phenomenal. Now, this side came out really, well, both sides came out really good. I'm gonna just wait till next week or when it dries completely and peel the tape off. As of right now, it looks freaking good. I could not be more pleased. It already starts looking, it's already looking really good. Meaning the build wise. On this side too, as you can see, sorry for the glare. Like I said, I had spark set on it from when I was riding. So, but anyways, it looks amazing. I like it. I'm really pleased of how it came out. Only time will tell if this will actually hold or if it would actually do what its intentions were, as in keeping some of the rust off of it. But here in South Carolina, we don't have salt on the roads. We don't really have snow or any of that stuff. So, and this car stays in, when I did drive it, it stayed either underneath some shade or it stayed parked when it was winter time. So it wasn't really like I was driving it out in the winter. So rust wasn't really one of my biggest issues. Actually, it was parked and I didn't drive it for like almost a year or so, and it didn't collect maybe about a little bit of rust. It's hard to tell, but if it wasn't like up in the where it did snow and where there was salt on the roads, it would have rusted probably to nothing right about now. But anyways, I'm really pleased how it came out. I'm really pleased with how it came out. It looks completely different, at least the fender wells. Anyways, next on the list would be have to put the grommets on where the exposed, where I cut the frame and the wires are exposed a little bit. So we're gonna knock that out next video, next week hopefully. And I will continue going ahead and finish sanding this bay, so that way we can hop on this too and get going on this. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm chugging along on it. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Again, like, comment, subscribe. I'm really excited. It's coming along really well. Again, stay tuned. Adios.